Hey guys, today I'm bored. I'm on homeschooling. Say hello, kids. Are we learning anything today? Lily and Maeve, no. But everyone else is going to learn about artichokes. Jerusalem artichokes have just come in. Beautiful in season when you cut them like that inside. I first got to love this ingredient when I worked for Raymond Blanc. We used to make a Jerusalem artichoke mousse. It's a very earthy flavour. I love them. The only problem is they make you fart a lot. A lot of farts. You can't de-fart the artichoke. But this weather is just starting to get cool. Artichoke is great. So I'm going to make a soup. So just give them a little wash. Don't bother peeling them. Life's too short. So that's what it looks like. Jerusalem artichoke. Looks like a little potato. I think they're called toppy and boar in French, something like that. I'm sure I'll be corrected. Show you what I got. So in here just onions, celery. Here's your garlic, little tip. So we're going to make a soup, right? Just chop your garlic in half like that. Don't even peel it. Right, you watching? Straight into the pot. I'm going to go 2. It's flu season, you know. 2 garlics. So that's just going to pop out of the skin. See what happens is when it cooks, just pops out of the skin. Like that. And all you do is take the skin out before you blend it. Artichokes go in, a little bit of olive oil. So you got celery, onions, garlic. And I've got a secret. So you get that onto sweat, no colour, no colour. Yes, I am wearing the shorts, beach shorts. Look at it. The secret to this is, right, and then we're going to add a little bit of sage, a little bit of fresh sage. A little bit of rosemary. So it's actually great if you cook this and you let it down, actually make more of a stock. And I am touching my hair on my face because I'm in my house and I'm going to eat it. Because a lot of people send you messages, don't be touching it. It's my house. It's my house. Bit of rosemary. Yeah, you can make a stock. And what you can do is you poach a chicken in that artichoke stock. Try it for Sunday, for Mother's Day. Artichoke soup would be great for your mother for Mother's Day. Only she will be farting after it. Isn't that right, Lily? This is the secret ingredient, right? We got some Parmesan. So in the restaurant closed, like not everyone's got a big block of Parmesan. Look at this kid eating my sushi. Get out, this is my show, it's not Lily and Maeve. Parmesan. What you do is you cut the rind off. The Parmesan rind, you cut it off, the Parmesan, put it in the soup. That's great. You can grate a little bit over when it's cooked, a little drizzle of olive oil. So in there I'll add a splash of white wine, deglaze the pot. What am I looking at, Lily? Deglaze the pot, and then I'm going to add water, or you could add chicken stock. I haven't got any chicken stock. Add water, bring it to the boil. You can add some cream, but it's going to be creamy with the Parmesan. Blend it and then pass it. I like it smooth, but you can keep it quite chunky. They're also great just roasted in a roasting tray, olive oil, garlic, herbs. And we're going to eat it with the wheaten bread my missus made. Well, very Northern Irish that, isn't it? So wheaten bread, artichoke soup, Parmesan, grated Parmesan over the top, a little bit of sage, rosemary. But it's a great way of using up your Parmesan. Have a look. So in there's your Parmesan rind. your garlic whole, and then you're going to add your wine, your stock, up to there. Boil it 40 minutes. You got the best soup. That's it. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.